Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. This is a simple review for anyone comparing practical products without wasting time. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. This pre-owned product is not Apple certified, but has been professionally inspected, tested and cleaned by. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. There will be no visible cosmetic imperfections when held at an arm's length. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. This product is eligible for a replacement or refund within 90 days of receipt if you are not satisfied. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are routine upgrade, easy care, and premium feel. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict: the beauty find looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.